Hi there, I'm Becca from Motor Match Chester and I'm going to be taking you around one of our approved used vehicles. This is the SEAT Ibiza FR Sport Coupe. It's a 2016 model coming with the 1.2 litre petrol engine and manual transmission. This car comes from 4 previous owners and boasts 79,000 miles on the clock. It also boasts a partial service history, with the last completed at 78,000 miles. The car is finished in the fantastic Monsoon Grey metallic paint worth £530 at new. The car sits on the upgraded 17-inch alloy wheels with the contrasting red brake calipers. You do have automatic halogen headlights with LED daytime running lights. This car does also boast the Cobra catback exhaust worth around £600 in addition to the Forge Motorsport Air Induction Kit. Moving into the boot space of the vehicle, you can see we've got a really good amount of room along with the ability to fold rear seats down. Moving into the rear seats, you can see we've got the 3 full-size seats in the rear with the outer 2 offering ISOFIX points. Taking a look into the driver's interior, you've got controls on the door card for your windows and door mirrors. The car does offer the flat bottom sports steering wheel and then sports seating in the front with the full cloth upholstery. Now, steering wheel is multifunction. On the right hand side you'll find controls for the driver information screen, and then on the left you've got the volume controls for the media. Just behind the wheel you will find your cruise control toggle, which is great to have for motorway driving. Taking a look up at the dials, as mentioned, you've got the driver information screen here offering access to your media features so you can make small adjustments on the go. Across to the media screen you have got the touchscreen system here offering plenty of different features. You can take a look at your vehicle status and check that everything is doing okay with the vehicle, and then you do have the full Bluetooth connectivity available so you can safely take and make phone calls on the go. You do have plenty of choice when it comes to music as well, with access to DAB, FM and AM radio. However, you can also connect your own devices via Bluetooth or aux to stream music through the car. You can also adjust the sound levels to your liking. Below the media screen you will find your air conditioning, and then moving down you will find your cup holders and the imports for your media system. You've then got your 6-speed manual gear stick and your manual handbrake. Obviously, extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 01244 311 404 or inquire online now. Thank you very much for watching and I hope to see you soon here at Monsoon Match Chester.